In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Google Sheets on Windows PC. To get started, open your web browser on your Windows computer and go to the Google Sheets spreadsheet you want to download. This can be a spreadsheet you created yourself or one that was shared with you, as long as you have permission to view it. Once the file loads, you should see the spreadsheet grid in the main area, along with the top menu bar where options like File appear. Before you download anything, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct spreadsheet. If you have multiple tabs open, check the document title near the top left of the page so you do not accidentally download the wrong file. Also, make sure the spreadsheet has finished loading, especially if it is large or has a lot of formulas, because downloading during a slow load can sometimes cause incomplete results. Next, go to the top left area of the Google Sheets window and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for working with your spreadsheet. The File menu is where Google Sheets keeps most actions related to saving, sharing, printing, and exporting your document into other formats. From the File menu, find and click on Download. When you hover over or select Download, another menu will open to the side. This menu lists different file types you can export your spreadsheet as. Each format is useful for different situations, but for most Windows users who want to open the spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, the best choice is the Excel format. Now click on Microsoft Excel.xsx. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will convert your spreadsheet into an Excel file and start the download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a download bar at the bottom of the window, or a download icon near the top. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you will remember, like your Downloads folder or desktop, and then confirm. Once the download finishes, you can open the XZSX file in Microsoft Excel on your Windows PC. Keep in mind that complex formatting, charts, or certain formulas may look slightly different after converting, so it is a good idea to review the file quickly after opening it. And that is all there is to it.